alarm is going. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So this pool's not working. I think it might be a shorted emergency switch because all of our breakers are on. I just turned that off for this to reset it and see what it did. No power anywhere. The emergency switch usually is not hooked up to both the pool and spa. So I just got the cover off it. We're gonna pull it out. Test for voltage on both sides. That could be a problem. If that's not connected, it's not giving power to the side. It could have just broke. Wow, what a trip. Look at the way they installed this. This is not really, I mean, I guess it works, but it's not the best thing in the world. And while we're here, we're actually just gonna be replacing that anyway, so. Already a part of the bid. That's why I figured I would check the emergency switch first. Good thing I did. Dang, could these screws be any longer? How strange is this construction? It's just a box inside of a box. I'm gonna pull this up so I can take these off. What I do want to do is turn on the comm pole and see if I have power. We didn't have that before. Now we got lights on. This might be why. The alarm is going. Boom. Look at that. Pool pump turned back on. Look at that. Pump's all back on. Equipment's back on. Pumps on, pumps on, pumps on. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That's a fat leak. We'll send them a bid for that. Heater's working, heater's working. All right, buddy. Good job. That's it. That's all it wants to do. Well, that's not bad actually. It's pretty good. Ain't going nowhere. So now that that's all done, we should be able to flip the breaker and the pool should turn right on. Same with the spa, same with the water feature and all that stuff. Okay, boom, baby.